Welcome back to NG Auto Review, and today we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Ford Ranger pickup. This truck has been one of Ford's most popular models for years, and the 2026 version comes with updates that make it stand out in the midsize pickup segment. Let's break it down starting with the exterior. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Ranger is its bold, muscular design. The front fascia now features a wider grille with a modern C-clamp LED headlight design that closely resembles the F-30. The stance is aggressive, with a higher hood line and flared wheel arches giving it a more rugged appearance. Depending on the trim, you'll get 17 to 20-inch alloy wheels and multiple exterior color choices, from classic work truck whites to premium metallic finishes. Ford also designed the new bed to be more practical, with integrated tie-downs, available power outlets, and a step built into the bumper for easier access. Performance is where the Ranger continues to impress. Under the hood, Ford offers a 2.3-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder as standard, producing around 270 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. For those who need more muscle, there's an available 2.2-liter EcoBoost V6 that delivers over 300 horsepower, giving the Ranger serious towing and off-road capability. The maximum towing capacity reaches up to 7,500 pounds, making it a strong contender for both work and play. If you're into off-roading, the Tremor and Raptor trims come with beefed-up suspension, skid plates, and advanced terrain management systems that let you tackle trails with confidence. Inside, the 2026 Ranger gets a major upgrade. The cabin feels more refined with soft touch materials and an intuitive layout. At the center, you'll find Ford's Sync 4 infotainment system with a large 10.1-inch vertical touchscreen as standard, and a massive 12-inch option on higher trims. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included, along with over-the-air software updates. The gauge cluster is now fully digital, giving a modern feel, while available features like a premium B&O sound system, dual-zone climate control, and heated leather seats add comfort for long drives. Space is improved too, with clever storage compartments under the rear seats and in the doors. Now let's talk price. The 2026 Ford Ranger starts around $32,000 for the base XL trim, while mid-level trims like the XLT and Lariat fall between $38,000 and $45,000. The off-road focused Tremor starts in the mid-40,000s, while the high-performance Ranger Raptor tops the lineup at around $58,000. Overall, the 2026 Ford Ranger is shaping up to be one of the most versatile midsize pickups on the market, balancing rugged utility with modern technology and comfort.